Hey guys, it's K Brooke here, and if you want to know how I went from this to these poppin', extra defined, shiny, bomb looking curls, then stay tuned. The first thing that I did was breathe, stretch, shake, let it go, and I'm starting off on freshly washed hair. And today I'm going to be using my Rescued Deep Conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. This is from the new grape seed line. It is a thirst quenching recovery conditioner. It is enriched with avocado and tamma oils. And this is an intensive repair treatment that is used to resuscitate chronically dry, damaged, or lifeless hair. And I'm just going to distribute that through my hair. I didn't section it off because my hair is short. And then in a second, I'm just going to take a white tooth comb and comb thoroughly just to make sure it's evenly distributed and my hair is all ready and detangled once I rinse it out and I'm ready to style. Okay, so now that my hair is thoroughly detangled, I'm just going to go ahead and put on a plastic cap and let that marinate for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and style. And today we're doing a wash and go. And I use ice curls also from the grape seed line. And I'm just going to go through and make sure my sections are thoroughly detangled again. And then rub the product through the hair. And just really try to get it smooth. I really want my hair to be saturated with this gel for optimal curl definition. And then I'm just going to go through and shingle each piece. I'm not twirling it around my finger or anything. I'm just pulling the piece of hair and letting the curl bounce back. Sometimes it looks like the curls are not going to bounce back, but you just got to wait for a second. Well, for me. And then eventually they'll shrivel up and curl up and get popping. Okay, so it does require a little bit of patience, but it is worth it because in the end, you will have some extra juicy looking curls. Now, let me hit y'all with this slow-mo. You see how juicy my hair looks. And last but not least, I'm going to go in with Shine Boss. It is a refreshing sheen mist and is enriched with vitamin E and castor oil, and it is used to soften and give your hair a beautiful sheen. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching because that is it.